Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today, I really do appreciate it. So today we're just going to be using the Colourpop Hair Honey. First time, so I'm really excited. Before I go into that though, let me go in with my Too Faced white chocolate shade. Right, so I was using the Revolution and Soph eyeshadow palette yesterday, and I did a rainbow eye look that went a bit out of control, but yeah, I did a rainbow eye look, and some of the dye from certain eyeshadows are still on my eyes, even though I've cleansed, I've double cleansed, I've got eye makeup remover on. It's not for budging. And the thing is, I've just deleted some videos because I thought I'd uploaded them all to my laptop, and I've deleted probably all of that video. I'm going to see if I can salvage any, but there might be some footage towards the end missing. If it's not salvageable, then I'm not going to do the look again, just purely because I've brought in some other eyeshadow palettes for this week's Shop My Stash. Maybe in time I will. You will get to see it on other videos as well, because I filmed a Huda Beauty haul that I did. I filmed some swatches also, and you can quite clearly see the eye look on that video. It is crazy, guys. It turned out very crazy. Let's go into the Colourpop Hair Honey now. Right, so I think I want to start off with Stinger, this one. And we're going to be zooming you in. Right in. Okay, so and I don't know whether I'm going to be using the glitter from the palette today. I mean, I will try it at some point, I just don't know if I'm going to do it today. Right, I think what I want to do is go in with this really bright yellow called Sweet Spot, that one there. And I want to take that on the lid. We'll be covering it up with a shimmer, but I just want to make it so that the shimmer can pop. And I'll be taking that just underneath that shade that we've just used, that Stinger shade. And I am just whacking a healthy amount on this, just because I love yellow and I want it noticeable. Yeah, that looks good. Right, so I don't know which yellow shimmer to use. Let me just wipe this packing brush off. Let's swatch these yellows. There was one in particular that I really liked. I think it was that one. That one is called Dandy, and then that one is slightly lighter, which will make a good inner corner look. That one is called Sunburst. So Sunburst and then Dandy. Yeah, let's use Dandy. Just want to make sure there is no... I used this brush yesterday when I was applying green eyeshadow, so I just want to make sure there is no green eyeshadow on it. I mean, it looks pretty clean, but sometimes it can be in the bristles. I think it's all gone now. So yeah, I'm going to go in with Dandy. Pack a ton of it on. Ooh. I might actually use that glitter today over the top of this. How gorgeous is that though? That's seriously stunning. I feel like yellow and also green as well are the perfect eyeshadows for summer. And if you've got blue or green eyes, I mean any eyes would suit, but blue or green especially, they're just gonna pop. Okay, so now I think I want to go in with Sunburst. Yeah, just this one here. This one's for the inner corner. Wow. Look at that. That is stunning. Why did I sleep on this palette for this amount of time? And I'm going to just try and see what happens if we put some setting spray on the, was it Dandy? Yeah, Dandy shade. Just see how much more pigmented we can get it. It's pretty pigmented. You really don't have to build the colour up at this stage. I feel like my eyes watering. Oh, it's certainly getting a little bit more foiled. Right, so these eyeshadows are very powdery and almost chunky, but when you actually go in and put it on the lid, you can barely see. When you put it on the lid, there is no chunkiness there, which I really like. I think I am going to go in with Paluzzo, this glitter. Just a tiny bit though. Maybe just start off with that. I don't know whether I should be putting some glitter glue down. You can't even really see it. Right, now we're going in with a bit more. That's better. But it literally is taking the eyeshadow off with it. And these aren't eye safe, guys, so you know you're putting them on at your own peril really. But I really like to try them in videos and at least see what they look like. I won't be using them on a regular basis. Then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Love black eyeliner in Perfect Black. Then the Essence Volume Stylist. Eyelashes are looking a little bit chunky and I've not even got mascara on. Right, so I'm not liking, so the camera's suddenly cut out, so I'm not liking the way my eyelashes are looking. They're looking quite chunky and like clumped together, but that's just going to have to do. We need to put some lash line shades down. I think I want to go in with a deeper shade. I think I want to go in with Totally Bugging, this one here. Which is just a little bit darker than what I ran through the crease. So the one I ran through the crease was again Stinger. And the waterworks are starting. Just going to pop a little bit more glitter on because I've got rid of it. I don't know what it is about this eye, but there's a crease there and it's making me lose colour, but it feels wet, so it's probably my fault, not the actual eyeshadows. Well, it's certainly not the eyeshadows, they're not to blame for me having hooded eyes. Right, so that's the eyes finished. So for lips, I want to use this. I think red goes really nice with yellow. So this is the Tanya Bear Cosmetics matte lip in Christmas stocking. So let's pop a little bit of this on. Right, so this is what the overall look looks like. I really like the way it's turned out, but that's not a surprise. It's yellow and I absolutely adore yellows. So in today's video, I'll just go over the shades again. We used Stinger in the crease. We used Sweet Spot all over the lid just to make the shimmer pop a little bit more. Then I used Dandy as a shimmer. I used Palooza as a glitter, just a tiny bit of that, and then Totally Bugging in the lash line. Sorry guys, my throat's really going on me. I think I need to get a drink. But yeah, on first impressions, I am really impressed with this palette. Can't wait to use it some more. So I'm going to do 2 more looks with it, I think, because there are 3 shimmers in it, and I would like to try all 3 shimmers on the lids. And then we'll be using the Kimchi Juicy 9 Mojito palette, which I am so looking forward to using. It looks a stunning palette. But yeah, I will see you again tomorrow for day 2, look 2 on this. Thank you for watching today guys. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click the notifications bell. I'm currently working on a giveaway that will be going up in the next month or so, I would imagine, and I would love for you to take part in it. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.